Today I'm going to talk about two special interesting chemistry knowledge, the poison paint and the telltale corpse. Have you ever thought about the unlucky lives of artists in 20th century? Many people think the poverty was the only and biggest problem for artists, but what they didn't expect is that artists can actually got killed by what they relied on for living, their paint. In this story, a special type of paint was used to paint on the watch dials, the radium. Our protagonist, Amelia Magia, was one of these painters working in a factory. She died at the age of 25 due to her years of contact with radium, and her bone was tested to be still having tons of radioactivity, even on that day. So what is radium? Radium is an alkaline earth metal with symbols Ra and atomic number 88. Pure radium is silvery white. Radium consists of deadly radioactivity. So why people choose radium to make up the paint back to 20th century? The reason of this is because 100 years ago, people still have little concept of radioactivity. So, because radium is silvery white, they choose it as a element to make up the white paint, but ignoring the harm it will do to the human body. Let's move on to the secondary story. The telltale corpse. Carbon monoxide, a colorless, odorless, and tasteless flammable gas that is slightly less dense than air. It can be really toxic in a concentration above about 35 ppm. In this story, a man was convicted of murdering a woman called Anna Friedrichsen, but the chemistry experiment proved he was innocent. Mrs. Friedrichsen was instead poisoned by carbon monoxide. The test experiment used sodium hydroxide. Alkali is another name to distinguish whether the blood contains carbon monoxide. Normal blood appears darker when Lye is added, but blood with carbon monoxide appears lighter due to the lack of oxygen. So now we know that carbon monoxide is toxic to our human body. Is there a chance we can get it in our daily life? The answer is yes. From clothes dryers, water heaters, furnaces or boilers, fireplaces, both gas and wood burning, gas stove and ovens, motor vehicles, grills, generators, power tools, lawn equipment. We can get carbon monoxide from those ordinary life equipment. So be careful, everyone. When you feel chest tightness or shortness of breath, tiredness, nausea, confusion, headache, dizziness, you should be careful that you might get carbon monoxide. You should immediately leave the current area you are in. That's the two story. Thank you very much.